Both the Houses of Parliament could not transact any substantive business on the fifth consecutive day today following opposition's continued ruckus over various issues. Union Minister Giriraj Singh today came down heavily on the opposition for disruption in Parliament. The foreign direct investment has witnessed tremendous growth of 45% to over $29 billion in April to September this year as compared to the same period last year. Minister of State for Civil Aviation Muralidhar Mohal today said India is one of the fastest growing major aviation markets in the world and has become the third largest domestic aviation market globally. India beat South Africa 8-1 to top Pool A in the Junior Asia Cup Hockey in Muscat, Oman last night.